What's going on, guys? What's poppin' in que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to take you guys with me to some of my favorite drugstores like Ulta, Walmart, CVS, and I want to show you guys some of my favorite products and stuff that you might want to incorporate for the new year, as well for some of the brands that maybe some people that don't know about makeup might want to know. So come on and let's take a look at what we have here at Ulta. Alright guys, so every time I stop into my Ulta, I like to go to the NYX section. NYX always has really good products and they're affordable as hell. So this is probably one of my recent favorite foundations. It's super beautiful on the skin. It just looks super glowy and moisturizing. So that is a pick. This is also one of my favorite concealers. It's the HD Studio Photogenic. If you're ever in the market for a new concealer, that is the one to go with. And then for a setting spray, this is actually one of my really favorite ones. It's the Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, which is by NYX as well. And of course, their Can't Stop, Won't Stop is also a really good foundation. So if you ever want to go ahead and get something like that, that is also another product. Of course, they have the little palette, so you can never go wrong with that. And then we have the Makeup Revolution section. They have really good products too. Their concealer is not too bad. I have tried it, but I have to give it a go a little bit more. Their powder is actually pretty good as well. So now section for correcting for any of my ladies that have dark circles under their eyes. This is actually a really good product for that. It really helps with correcting underneath the darkness. This is a good one. And then I've tried their liners. So their pomades are really good as well. Alright guys, so another good find for Makeup Revolution Cosmetics is their setting powder. This one is in the shade Banana, which is really good for my complexion. If you are looking for a good setting powder, this is actually a really good one, and it's super inexpensive. I believe it's about $8. I will insert the pricing right now, so in case I'm completely wrong, I'm gonna post it anyways. But this is a really good setting powder as well. Alright, so this is actually one of my really favorite bronzers that I love implementing in all of my looks pretty much. I'm actually using one of their bronzers on my face right now. But this is actually one of my really favorite ones. It is a little bit on the pricier side because it is $15.99, but I promise you when I say this, it is going to be something that you need in your kit for sure. It is something that is amazing and just tops off any look if you're trying to just get that chiseled look. Alright guys, so we are in the lashes aisle. These are actually some of my really favorite lashes. These lashes is super inexpensive. These right here are actually only $6.99. They're super inexpensive. They're super wearing. You can give them a couple of wears, to be quite honest. And a little trick on how to make them last: you get a little bit of makeup remover or even just a little bit of oil. You kind of clean them up and they last you a little bit longer. So this section right here is probably one of my favorites. A couple suggestions on some of my favorite lashes for this section are the Glossier. These are really pretty if you're looking for something wispy. The Boudoir, they're a little bit more on the more natural side, so if you're looking for something a little bit more natural. And then of course the Gala. So quick suggestion, this is a really good scrub that you can actually even get at Walmart itself. It's really good, it smells amazing, and if you have good skin on the bottom of your feet, it's really good for that too. We just finished here at Ulta. We grabbed some stuff. I showed you some things. Now we're gonna go ahead and head on either to CVS or Walmart just to show you guys some other options as far as drugstore products. Now, I know what you're thinking, why not other products? Well, drugstore products are definitely something you can incorporate into your budget for the year. If you're trying to save up money, it is also a good option. And of course, I know sometimes drugstore products are super a stretch, but it does make a difference, I promise. So yeah, let's go ahead and head on to the next place. What's going on, guys? We are now here at CVS. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the things that I look at whenever I come here. So alright guys, so we actually went inside of CVS and apparently we can't record inside the store, so we're just gonna go ahead and head on across the street to Walgreens and basically show you guys some products at Walgreens. So fuck CVS, bro. I'm gonna cross the street to Walgreens because the guy at CVS said that we couldn't record. So
we're going to ask the people at Walgreens if we can record first, so stay tuned to see what he say or her.
I'm eating these fried, these dried strawberries. Are really good for me at least. Let's talk about these lashes though.
Yeah, on point.
They are on point. If you don't have me on Instagram, make sure you guys check me out on Instagram because I actually was talking about them earlier. They're from Glamlight. They're part of the taco collection. These are actually called the Bollo lashes. And yeah. Alright guys, so we are here at Walgreens. Let's go ahead and see if we can record here. If not, then we're just gonna head straight to Walmart because what's the point? So let's go ahead and see what they say. Okay. Can you record? Can we record in here?
Can you record?
Record with the camera?
Not without permission.
Yeah, what we asking?
No, not from me.
Oh, you don't work here?
Yeah, I work here, but I can't give you permission.
Oh,
That would have to be from corporate. Yes.
Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because we asked them, but then they say no.
That's what I'm saying. I can't have you recording in here.
It's not even. It's not even. We're not going to record the product or anything. We just record her face talking about the product in the makeup aisle.
Yeah, but if you're seeing the stuff,
Yeah.
then we can do that.
Okay. No problem. It's understandable.
Okay then.
Thanks,
Sorry
man.
about that.
It's okay.
They're real stickers about stuff like that.
Okay. Hey.
Well, so apparently we can't record here either, so we're just gonna get the fuck out of here because I'm getting so fucking annoyed. So apparently we have to go to corporate. Alright guys, so we are finally at freaking Walmart. So I couldn't record anything at CVS or at Walgreens, so we're finally at Walmart, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some other products that you can always go ahead and depend on. So right here we have our e.l.f. section. Anything with e.l.f. is honestly a good pick. There are some misses, of course. With any company, there's always gonna be a miss. One thing I can definitely recommend you guys is the 16-hour concealer. It's a great dupe for the Shape Tape, I believe. And so quote me on it. Of course, we have the poreless putty primer right here. They just came out with 3 different ones as well, but the original putty primer with the hydrating succulene is a really good product. I'm actually using it on my face today for like my base. But yeah, e.l.f. products are really good. If you're looking for brushes, e.l.f. products are really good ones to start off with. So just for my ladies that are starting off with makeup in the new year, that is a good little nitpick. Another one of my favorite products is Wet n Wild. They're super affordable and convenient. They have amazing lippies, and their cat suit liquid lipsticks are amazing as well. They're super affordable. It's $4.98 for just one lipstick, and they wear pretty well. So you're getting a good bang for your buck. Their brushes are also great as well, and they're super affordable as well. This one right here is only $2.98, so you're getting good bang for your buck. Have our CoverGirl section over here. CoverGirl has probably one of my favorite foundations. I'm trying to find it, I can't freaking find it. Anyway, it's this one, the True Blend Matte Made Foundation. It looks a little different, so I don't think it's that one, but whatever. that foundation is actually really good as well, and this concealer by them is also something that a lot of people rave about. I haven't tried it myself just yet, so don't quote me on that one. And then of course for mascara, I always like to go to the L'Oreal section because they always have really good mascara. My favorite happens to be the Voluminous Million Lashes. So that's a good pick by them as well. Alright, and then let's go ahead and make our way over to the Maybelline section. Alright, so I know we spoke a little bit. Oh, we didn't. I don't know if we spoke about Maybelline in the other store. Anyways, the Fit Me is actually the matte and poreless is probably the foundation that everybody starts with. It's like the OG foundation. It is like $5.34, so it's super convenient for your budget. And it has a good nice wear on it. Depending on your skin type, it might or might not work on it. So if it's matte, you don't want to have something super dry. So if your foundation is matte, you don't want to go ahead and use it if you have super dry skin. If you do have dry skin though, I would definitely recommend you to put like a hydrating primer on, and it will work a little bit better, but it just kind of depends on how the foundation will look on your skin. So that one's just kind of like a iffy one, just because it depends on your skin type. I have combo skin, so it doesn't look bad on me. Next we have a Milani section. So Milani's Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation is actually one of my very like all-time favorites. It's $8.97. It wears amazing on the skin, and it is super long lasting, so that's probably one of my favorite things about them. The concealer is actually pretty good as well. I really am actually looking for their dewy spray because I seen in a favorites video that someone did and they loved it, so I want to get that. I do have one of their blushes, and it wears so beautiful. You can literally wear it without having to put like highlight on, and it just makes the whole look complete. So that is also another one. Hard Candy has a foundation too, and it is the Glamouflage. The only bad thing is, as you can see, there's not much of a shade. There's not a lot of shades. So if for my darker girls out there, I'm so sorry. But I've given you guys a couple other products around here that are more shade approved, if that makes sense. So just because this one doesn't work for some of you, there are a couple others that you can do. Some of them that I take a look at from every once in a while, but for the most part, the ones that I kind of pinpointed out for you guys are the ones that I am totally in love with. So I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. If you want to see a video like this for specific brands or just in general about something specifically, leave me in the comments down below what you want to see, whether it be foundations, concealers, eyeshadow palettes, where to get them in the drugstore or in the store in general. Let me know down below, and I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the little bell to make sure that you are notified whenever I post a video. So that concludes the video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.